This is Mautasar Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view and this is the cross section view. In the top view, we can see that we have a cross section line AA, and this cross section view section AA has been shown here. So as it is a slot shape, first of all in the top view I'll first draw this outer slot, and this outer slot has a dimension of 22.5, which means the half dimension from here to here will be 22.5 divided by 2, and the radius is 18. This circular path radius is 18, and after that I will extrude boss it to 4.4 unit. So let's select the top line. Now sketch. Now select the center point slot. Now draw a slot, and this dimension will be 22.5 divided by 2 unit. After that, then I'll have to give the circular path dimension. In there it was 18 unit radius, so the diameter will be 18 multiplied by 2. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 4.4 unit. Now press OK. After that, we can see we have another slot, and this slot has same dimension as here, 22.5. So the half dimension will be 22.5 divided by 2, and its radius is 7.6. So the total vertical distance will be 7.6 multiplied by 2 unit. So selecting this face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center line slot. Now dimension it to 22.5 divided by 2 unit. Now extrude boss. Now dimension it to 7.6 multiplied by 2 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Here you can see this has a distance of extrude boss of 16 minus 4.4 unit. So go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 16 minus 4.4 unit. Now press OK. After that, we can see we have a extrude cut slot, and this extrude cut has a dimension of 5 unit. So this extrude cut slot is this one, the inner slot, and this inner slot has a dimension of this half line is 22.5 divided by 2, and the radius is 5 unit. So the vertical distance will be 5 multiplied by 2 unit. So selecting this upper face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center line slot. Now press it to origin. Now dimension it to 22.5 divided by 2 unit. Now extrude boss it. Now vertical distance it to 5 multiplied by 2 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 5 unit. Now press OK. After that, we can see from here we have another circular extrude cut, and this extrude cut has a 5 diameter circle, this 2 hole. So I am selecting this upper face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select circle and place the circle to this point and dimension it to 5 diameter. You can use the center line here, and you can mirror a circle. It will take more steps, so I'll drag it to manually also. So it will be 5 unit. So isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to, you can use through all or through all both. Now press OK. You can rotate it and see this. Now isometric it. Now we can see we have a constructed geometry slot, and this constructed geometry slot is this one, and it has same dimension like 22.5 divided by 2 unit length and a radius of 13 unit. So the vertical distance will be 13 multiplied by 2 unit. And from that line we can see we have a bigger circle, and this big circle has a dimension of 7 diameter, and its extrude cut will be 1 unit. I can draw these 3 large circle here, then I can use the mirror tool to mirror here these other 3, or I can manually draw all 3 of them. Okay, so I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it for a better view. Now select the centralized slot, now place the slot here, and now dimension it to 22.5 divided by 2 unit. Now vertical distance is to 13 multiplied by 2 unit. Now press OK. Now right click on the mouse. Now select construction geometry. After selecting the construction geometry, select one of the line. Now press cross. Now we will draw the circle. So I am drawing selecting a circle and placing a circle here, and now drawing a circle of 7 diameter, and again place a circle here, draw a circle of 7 diameter, and also in here also. Now you can draw other 3 circle manually, or you can use the mirror entities. For using mirror entities, you need to draw a center line from here to here. Okay, now press OK. Now I'll use the mirror entities. Here it is entities to mirror. So select this circle, and select this circle, and mirror about. For this mirror about, select this reference line. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features. Now extrude cut, and here you can see we will have to extrude cut to 1 unit. So I'm extrude cutting it to 1 unit. Now press OK. After that we have same task again, but this time dimension will be 3.4 diameter, and the extrude cut will be through all. So I'm selecting this inner face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a circle. Now place a circle here, and now dimension it to 3.4 diameter. And again select here and dimension it to 3.4 diameter, and also the last one 3.4 diameter. Now press OK. Now I am selecting a center line because I want to mirror the other part. So I have drawn the center line. Now press OK. Now mirror entities. Now entities to mirror, select this one, and this one. Now select mirror about, select this reference line. Now OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features, and now extrude cut. Now you can use extrude cut it to through all, or you can use through all both as you want, or you can drag this icon manually. Now press OK. At the last we can see we have 2 fillet option. One fillet is here and another fillet is here. Both fillet has radius 1. So I am selecting the fillet option. Now dimension it to 1 unit. Now select this line and select this line. It will select automatically all the line. Now press OK. Yeah. As you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.